Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make a set of rattling antlers from a deer that I found that had been taken down from coyotes. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. So I found a whitetail buck that had been taken down by some coyotes and I sawed the antlers off. This is a set of antlers that I found from a separate deer that I made rattling antlers from, and they work fantastic. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with these antlers, and I thought I would video it for you guys. So what I need to do first is I need to take off this brow tine right here because it makes it really difficult to try to hold on to it and properly rattle. So I need to take that off. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw an imaginary line right here and try to get it as close as I can. It doesn't need to be perfect, and take off this brow tine to make a good handle. Alright, well that worked out pretty good. If anyone's wondering, I'm using a stainless steel blade in my reciprocating saw. Alright, so I have to take this portion right here off and kind of smooth everything down, and what I'm going to be using is a Dremel style tool. This is a Chicago electric power tool. This is one that we bought from Harbor Freight probably 20 years ago, and it has a sanding bit on it. Alright, so that worked out really well. We're not trying to smooth everything up. It does help for it to be a little rough. That way it doesn't slip and slide. And you don't want to completely take off the end right here so that your hand has something to draw down onto so it won't slip off of the bottom. But that's basically what we're looking for right there. Nice and smooth. Easy to hold on to, and it flares out at the bottom. So that turned out fantastic. Now I just need to do the other one. Alright, there's the second one. You can see right there. Really nice to hold on to. Nothing gets in your way. It flares out a little bit on the bottom there, so you have something to really hold on to. So what I have to do now is make sure that these antlers won't separate from each other. So I'm going to get some 5/11 cord and drill some holes and make sure that they stay together. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole right up above where the antler flares out. All right, now that I have my hole drilled, I'm gonna get this 5/11 cord and cut it to length and tie them together. All right, so what I've done is I've made 2 knots in there, and these are gonna go on the inside of the antlers. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie another knot on the outside, just so the antler won't slide up and down. All right, now that I have it knotted, I just have to cut it and burn the ends. All right guys, and there you go, a set of rattling antlers from a whitetail deer that I found that was taken down by coyotes. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Man, they turned out really good.